Welcome to Gideon Grammar Booklet Level 1-M, where the student should complete 2 pages each day. In this book, the student will learn the difference between to, and to, capitalizing proper nouns, adjectives, nouns, and verbs, and plural possessive nouns. We'll first begin with the difference between to, and to. Although to, and to all sound the same, they have different meanings and spellings, which makes them homophones. Let's start with to, spelled T-O, which is a connecting word used to help describe how, why, or where. Here's an example. I will walk my house, which are 2 parts of a sentence. To connect them together, we use the word to, spelled T-O. When we connect part 1 and part 2 with the word to, spelled T-O, we have I will walk to my house. Next is to, spelled T-O-O, which is an adverb that can mean overly or also. Here's an example. It is too cold outside, where to, T-O-O, means overly. It is overly cold outside. Next, we have I like ice cream too, where to means also. I like ice cream also. Lastly, we have to, spelled T-W-O, which is the word form of the number 2. I have 2 pets, where 2 tells how many pets. Next is capitalizing proper nouns, where the student will learn capitalization rules for names of people, holidays, and geographical locations and parks. The first rule we will look at is capitalizing names of people. Our first example is George Washington. The G and W, which are the first letters of both names, are capitalized. Another example is Ms. Katia J. Almanza, where each first letter, including the title of her name and the initial J, are all capitalized. Rule number 2 is to capitalize names of holidays. Capitalize the first letter of each word in the name of a holiday, like New Year's Eve. Since New Year's Eve is naming a specific holiday, it's a proper noun where the first letter of each word should be capitalized. And rule number 3 is to capitalize names of geographical locations and parks, like Mount Everest, which is the name of a mountain in Asia, and Yellowstone National Park, which is located in Wyoming in the United States. Notice how each first letter is capitalized. Next, we have a review over adjectives, nouns, and verbs. A noun is a person, place, or thing. An adjective is a describing word. And a verb is an action word. In this example, we have the little baby cried, where baby is the noun and also the subject of the sentence. Cried is the verb, which tells what the baby did. Little is an adjective, which describes the size of the baby. Next, we have plural possessive nouns. A plural possessive noun is a plural noun meaning more than one, that owns or possesses someone or something. It can also act as an adjective. As a quick reminder of pluralizing a noun, here's the word cat, which is singular, meaning only one. To make it plural, meaning more than one, we add an S to cat to make it cats. Now, to make the plural word cats possessive, we'll use this example of a basket belonging to 2 cats. By adding an S to cat, it becomes plural. Then add an apostrophe after the S to make it possessive. So we have 2 cats basket, where the cats own the basket. Here's another example. Crayons owned by the students, which becomes the students' crayons. The crayons are belonging to more than one student, so adding an S to student makes it plural. We follow the S with an apostrophe to make it possessive, and we have the students' crayons, where the crayons belong to more than one student.